All right, welcome back, everyone. Another day, another episode for Build, Break, and Fix. In case you're wondering why we are here, we are road coders, and we are attempting to build a project which is Scrambler.ca, and we aim to walk you through that journey of developing a process from a junior developer's perspective. In case you're wondering, where is Zen, my co-host? He's running a bit late because of some technical issues, but he'll be here shortly, so don't need to worry about that. Until then, oh, okay. I guess Zen's here. Um, but yeah, in case you're wondering, we're live every night from 9:30 to 10:30 and 9:30 to 11:30. So welcome back, Zen.
Oh, thanks for the intro, Kay. Sorry I was a
Right,
bit late because there was a
that's
bit
fine.
of a technical glitch on my end, so had to sort that out really quickly.
Okay.
So I guess all the fantastic intro is done. We can just dive in. I'll just
Yeah.
change
Do
the
you want to
background
tell
really
the
quick.
do you want to tell the viewers about StreamYard? Because I was just gonna
Uh,
do that.
yeah. Oh, okay. I thought you already did it, but
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
I'll go through that. Just gonna quickly change the wallpaper because the
Yep.
existing one is a bit boring. Okay, that's not working, so I'm not gonna waste time in that.
Yep.
We'll just go, um, okay, doc. Cool. Here we go. That's done. Now, r- right. I just want to give a real quick shout out to our sponsor of this video, which is StreamYard. Just go to their website. So if you don't know about StreamYard, it's a online streaming tool, and it integrates, oh, well, not really integrates, but connects to most of the social media channels, as in YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, and there was an other one, isn't it?
Twitter as well. So
Yeah, Twitter. Yeah. Uh, and you can also use it to record the videos if your um viewers haven't got the time to see you live. You can just record the video for them to make available, which is a really useful feature. So I'll just jump in now to our aim. What we're gonna do, I'll get the sticky notes out. Well, I wanted to give a bit of an update as well. So you know um how we have started to organize this as in tasks a bit.
yeah,
What we're gonna do is use Jira instead.
yeah. I was gonna recommend that as well
Because
because
yeah, that's a
there's no
bit more
there's
of
no
a
point.
professional approach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um. I'll set up Jira
So
and
what
then.
were you gonna say?
Oh, nothing. I was just saying hi to E7 Twitch. Hi, E7
Ah,
Twitch. Yeah. And yes, I have water with me, so we are ready
I
as
have
you are.
mine. I have my vodka slash water.
Nice. But yeah, I'll set up Jira Zen and I'll invite you to the team.
I
Or do
think
you have?
I've already have one instance, and
Oh, okay.
excitingly, that's actually named as our channel, so Raw Coders. So that's pretty good.
Nice.
But yeah, I'll
We already have
send you an invite after this video, or but we can take all of that project management things offline and then update our viewers tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure.
Right, brilliant.
Right.
So today's task would be to update a note. And if we manage to get that up and running before say 10:30, then what we're going to be focusing on, as in making the front end and the back end talk to each other.
Okay. Delete is working, right? Wait. So update is
Yes.
your function, right? And I did delete. Was it right?
Update isn't working at the moment.
No, no, no. So you were working on update and I was working on delete. Was that how we split it up? Or
No, you were working on update and I did the delete one.
I'm pretty sure I did the delete one.
We can have a
Yeah.
look, and I might be wrong here, so let's
Yeah.
just see. Because I remember when you said that, oh, why can't we use the dynamodb code? And then I said probably because we are
Right.
removing it from the array. But ah, yeah. So I think what happened was that you actually coded it. Yeah, I remember it now. Hmm.
Yeah, but I mean, it's the part we both can code. So I'll
Yeah,
take the control at 10 or 10:05, let's say.
yeah, that's fine. So, just update the viewers with our half an hour approach. I don't think they know that yet.
Yeah. So um, to all the people who weren't able to attend the previous streams, so what we plan to do is Zen will code the first half an hour of the stream, and I plan to code or kind of like if it's not done, I kind of plan to take over the next half. So that's how we plan to divide the work. I mean, even though it's both of our brains working, it's just good to have our
Yeah.
hands on both of us.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And coding becomes a lot more fun when you actually do it.
yeah,
Hmm.
for sure.
All right. Cool. So I'll just zoom in a bit. There we go. Okay, perfect. I'm pretty sure you can see the code now.
Yeah, loud and clear.
Alright, open up Postman, and I need to get my DB up and running as well. So the DB folder was in my downloads folder,
Hmm.
and that was dynamodb underscore local underscore latest. Excuse me if you heard that. I think I had a big ass dinner. Alright, just run the DB by using this command.
Hmm. Right. Okay.
Brilliant. So that's now up and running. I'll just minimize this because if I close it, then I've got feeling that the DB server will die as well.
Yeah, yeah,
But,
yeah. Just minimize.
mm.
That's right.
Uh, before I
Okay.
forget, I need to give you access to
Yeah, I was gonna say.
the code as well. Yeah.
1 second, I'll
How's
go
it?
refill water.
Okay, cool.
Be back.
Brilliant.
Radio. Sorry, you were saying something.
That's alright. I was just gonna ask, how's the lightning on my face today? Is it a bit better?
Yeah, I think it's better. It's just that I can see the one tiny I don't know what you call it. Like you can see it on a glare. Yeah, glare. You can see it
Ah,
online.
okay, okay. Cause
And
I've got,
this one.
I've got this I've got this
Ooh, pretty.
mini lamp.
Nice.
Yeah, so I just thought that it might help a bit, as in increase the lightning on my
Yeah.
face since I'm too dark and you can't even see me. Here we go.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
no, better.
Cool.
Okay, in that case-
Alright, I've did I send you that link? No, I
Nope.
didn't. So I'll just send you in the private chat. Did I even copy it? Yes, cool.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Imagine if I post that into the
Millions.
comments or
Like you have
but
given terminal access as well. And you
yeah,
didn't even
yeah.
realize. That'll be brutal.
True, exactly. Alright, so where were we gonna start? Okay, cool. So now we're gonna start with update.
Yep.
Just do this. Don't really need the other bit for now.
Right.
Okay, update specific note. That's there. Then I'm querying it. The indentation, I need to improve it a bit. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? This is a bit too zoomed in. I'm gonna zoom out a bit.
That looks fine.
Okay, accept read and write. I'm just gonna organize the code a bit because it's a bit hard to read from the indentation. It's not quite right. Here we
What
go.
was the shortcut? Oh yeah, you did that. Nice.
Uh, Control Alt F, I think it was.
Okay. Wait, there's no F on a Mac. Alt on a Mac.
Oh, so I'm using a Windows plus a Mac keyboard
Ooh,
in one.
nice.
So
Gee,
I'll just, no, I don't need that. I need, yeah, it's control, Shift Opt F. Alright,
Okay. Right. Let's do.
I'll just go into that from the
So let's see what's the problem.
API. Alright, and then node API.js. I am actually gonna do this time as input breakpoint as well.
Okay.
Run and debug. Actually, I don't need that at the moment. Please start debug session.
Mm-hmm.
Terminal. Cool. So stop that. I don't want to run that completely. I'm gonna just go and run this. How many boards are there? Board. Right. Get all the boards. No. What did I miss?
Is it the name of them?
This is pull the event already in use. Must have
Uh,
um
Other terminal.
yeah, other terminals open as well. Bash, yeah, that's why. Remove that, remove that. Okay, open a new one.
Yeah, let's do fresh terminal.
Brilliant. Come on, Mr. Terminal. Here we go. And then I just need all the. Why is it still saying that?
Open port 3000 on your browser.
Oh, hang on a minute. I've got the debugger running as well. That's not supposed to be it. Oh.
Now it works.
Yeah, here we go. Because it was debugger running as well at the same time. Come on, dude. Why are you taking this long? Alright. Board ID. Note. And okay, please, if you can make sure you keep an eye on the chat as well. I don't want the viewers to be left out.
Yeah.
Please.
Yep.
And that one there. That one there. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is set. No, I don't want to do a get. Come on, Zane.
Do a patch.
Do a patch.
The body?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Update. Yeah, role JSON call. Do that.
Okay, same error.
Either the key condition or either the key conditions or the key condition expression parameter must be specified in the request.
Can you go down on the error and actually I think
Where about?
Just like at the end of the error almost.
Yeah.
Sequential to show where unhandled promise rejection warning. This error either be throwing inside of a async function without a catch.
Why is this not a string? It should be a string.
Oh. Right. Without a catch block or rejecting a promise which was not handled without catch to terminate node process on unhandled promise.
This is just say a common information that gives out, but the actual error that it tells in the top bit. Oh, hang on a minute. Key condition, expression parameter, and key conditions. We're not using any of that.
Right, yeah.
Actually, hang on. I need to check how to actually update on dynamodb. Do an update on dynamodb. Node. I don't really care about the spellings at the moment because Google's actually smart enough to pick that. Create update delete. Let's check this one. Okay, I don't need any of that. All I need is update an item. Okay, yeah, That's fine. Don't need that. We need this part here now. Okay, cool. So it uses condition update will fail. Conditional, okay. So it's remove.
Do you wanna give it a condition expression as well?
Well, in A,
It'll be same
it
as
doesn't really use it.
a condition expression.
Yeah,
Not key condition expression, I guess.
as in it doesn't use both of them in here, and that's the docs. As in either the key conditions or the key condition expression parameter must be specified in the request.
Right. So we have a condition expression though, which we don't have. What does that do?
That's
Not
just
key.
doing a condition.
Okay.
Oh, hang on a minute.
We can have it as both equal to both.
What do you mean? Because this condition express is only putting the condition. We don't want any conditions.
Okay.
We're
Right.
just getting the board here and then updating the node. That's all.
Then it should work.
Actually, let me check what I did in my repo. Because as far as I can remember, it was working in there.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll just quickly have a look, and if it's there, fair enough. If not, we move on. Um, Gek Dev, we're working on updating a specific note today. And welcome, by the way.
Oh wait. Zen, I think what went wrong.
Huh?
Um, I think I know what went wrong. So
Okay.
see in params, we have
Yeah,
only given
Prime.
the table name. So in params also while searching for the board, you have to give a key condition expression. Can I make some edits in the code?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Try running it now. Just run the code. Wait, is it throwing any errors?
Did you say edit? Because have you done the edit already?
He, yep.
I don't think you have.
1 second. Just a second. Give me 1 sec. Oh, I know why. No, no, I did the edits. Don't worry. Yeah, just compile it.
Okay. Let's compile that. Delete.
Oh,
Update. Key
run it in
condition.
Postman.
This patch. Update note is not defined. That's good. So it means that it picked it up.
Yeah. So what was the problem? I'll tell you what.
Uh-huh.
uh, if you go down, go up, go up. Sorry.
Which line is it?
257 or like somewhere around 255.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
while defining the parameters, we only gave it the table name and table, but we didn't define the key condition expression. So what I did was I wrote the key condition expression and expression attribute. We didn't do that before.
Right. So I actually forgot to give it the primary key. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so it wasn't
Ah,
actually querying it because we didn't have the right.
right. That makes sense, actually. Yeah, that makes sense.
Right. Let's go to this current error. It's not a code error because the app is still running, but like the code hasn't stopped.
Update note is not defined. So I think that's because it's
It's not being used.
defined in there in the if statement, but
Wait,
we're
let's.
trying to use it
Yeah.
outside the for loop.
You want me to do it or you?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Right. Oh wait, is Andre here today? Hey Andre.
Yes, he's here.
Right. Compile.
Compile, uh, to update, and you probably took it up there, and then you using it here. Yeah, this should work. Hopefully. Value provided in expression unused in expression keys.
Oh, I know why. One sec. What was the error again?
Oh, doesn't this has to be a string in
Yes.
board?
Wait, what was the error?
The error was an error code validation value provided in expression attribute unused in expression keys. So
Wait,
it's
let me change one.
complaining about this board key. Shouldn't be there, I think.
No, no, no. It's in the params. Try running it now. I made a change there. I commented the expression attributes because it's kind of repeating it. Because key condition is there, we just need the key condition. It's the same thing.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that would make sense actually.
Or maybe not. I'm kind of like,
I mean, yeah, that's how programming works, mate.
yeah.
Trial, error, adjust. Okay, what does this say now? Validation, invalid key condition expression
So
and
it does need the
expression
expression attribute.
is not defined. Board ID.
Yep,
Okay. Yeah.
taken back.
Again?
Yeah, but the same error will come, but let's see. Try
Mm-hmm.
running.
Board ID. Yeah, that seems to be right. Just run it and see what happens.
Hmm. The-
I'm pretty sure it's this board thing here.
Oh, yeah,
You know why?
Maza.
See this variable, it matches this variable here. And it's
Right,
also in expression attribute values.
right. Is it
So one
does it give us any line number though in general? JS?
it does apparently it doesn't.
Oh, I mean, fair enough. It's a scripting language.
Mm. Yeah, exactly. So I'll just try and run this and see what it does now. Um, okay, come on. Work your magic patch. There we go. Right, so that seems to have done something. I just want to check what did it do exactly.
Yeah. Right.
Did he actually update it? Yeah. Ah, no. Right.
No, it just
Um,
did not.
that has to be changed. Probably in that way.
Yeah. Okay.
It does look promising a
I
bit.
mean, it's not. Yeah. I mean, text for note is not an array, so
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, it's a
exactly.
string.
Hmm, true
It's
that.
fine.
Just do a patch again.
Yeah. Could you give it another body? It's the same body.
Update 1.
It's
Okay,
clear.
now get none. Okay, yeah, that seems to be working now.
Why is giving null though? That's a question.
Yeah, I was gonna come back to that one now. So if that's, I think because we are supposed to be returning this board here.
Yeah, but we did make the note and we did make it right.
Yeah, but you've got to also see that we don't have a note object here. So we are only saying that update this note's topic to this text. That's
Right.
all. So
So
if we
let's,
want,
yeah.
mhm,
I'm just saying let's try returning board then and
yeah,
see if
that's what I was gonna do. We don't need this let wait. We can just do this. Ah, no, not this. I think I'm gonna do that. Not that one. Guess. I'm lost. No, 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 I'm here. Right, and then I just want to check if this gives me the board, as in the note itself.
okay, yeah, fair enough.
Okay, that one body, raw, update 2, patch, and then send. What does this give us? Notice not defined. Yeah, as expected, because it's outside the scope. So what I will have to do, hang on. So shall we return only the note or the entire board itself?
Let's just
I
return the
think,
note.
think it will only be the note itself.
Yeah, I mean just uh, like as less information we can pass.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean like kind of increasing the scope of variables is not a good practice, but like here we don't have a choice. So
Hmm.
you might have to break this time, like for real, else notes value will change.
What do you mean? Note's value will change.
It'll give it an ask note. But yeah, let's try this. Let's try this. I could be wrong.
So you're saying that it will give us the last note. Ah,
Let's
okay.
let's try what
Yeah, that
happens.
would make sense actually. It might, because we keep on going and
Finish the loop.
we don't
There's no
really stop. Yeah,
um just do a break in the if.
I'll do a break
I'll do it.
over here.
Yeah, that works.
Okay, let's do that. And Right. Let's do this. Okay, this should work. And error of board and score nodes for no function. All right. I'm just being a bit fluky now. So I'll just come back into my senses. Uh,
Yeah, you need to get the um board notes and then
hmm.
know what you're doing. But that's fine, right? Should I do it?
Yeah, go for it. My back is itching.
Okay.
Right. I'll run this and see what happens. Okay, send this. Okay, now we have
Nice.
the note. Cool.
Good job.
Brilliant. That works now. Okay, so now we can actually deploy to SAM online.
Yeah. So for all of you, we have, I guess we have officially finished all the controllers.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. So
Brilliant.
I think building the API is finished and making it work with our database was also a big step, which is done right now. So
G-
good job, Zen,
It's called teamwork. Mate,
for sure.
your contribution, my contribution, that's what made it work.
Yeah.
So well done. Actually, just cleaning up. Actually, I'm not gonna clean up the code or shall we clean
Let,
up the code a bit?
let's see if it works online or not. Maybe if we get any error, then we can work on that.
True. This one has to be commented.
Change the table name as well, maybe.
Table name to this. Let's see if this trick works. It does work. Although it's a bad trick, but it works. But
Yeah.
I'm not gonna leave
Yeah,
the.
will be kind of like if it doesn't work, then I will. This will be on the back of my mind, like it didn't work because of that.
Yeah, yeah, true. Uh, I agree totally. All right, we don't even need depcop because it's never read. So I'll delete
Just
that.
comment it because we might use it on the local testing.
Okay, cool. That's
Okay.
done. Brilliant. I'll just go ahead and deploy on Scrum on AWS. After this, I'm gonna get myself a fruit to treat us. I'll be right back.
Yeah, you're not good. Okay. I got a orange. You got a banana? Can't hear you. Can hear you.
Yeah, I've got banana.
That's the thing I like about bananas. They're so low maintenance. You can just.
Hmm.
This thing is so annoying.
I would say that
Oh,
um
I hate pomegranates in that case.
hmm?
I hate pomegranates in that case.
Ah, right. Yeah, they're nice too.
Yeah, but like they're so high maintenance. Like you need to spend like half an hour just to get them out.
Yeah, true. I think the easiest ones after the banana would be
Grapes,
mandarins.
grapes. Come on.
To peel them
Oh,
off.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do deploy. You eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have terminal access.
Oh, haven't you?
No.
Need to give you that.
Okay, we have a new terminal. Then we could hear you eat. Why don't you turn off your mic for a bit? That's all good. Let's. I'll do that. Why? Why? That's a yes. And last. Oh, no, never mind. Cool. Now I'll create the stacks for us and put it in our S3 bucket.
Sorry about that. I didn't realize it at all that I was eating that loudly.
Yes, all
So, have you got any plans for the weekend or not? The lockdown
right.
weekends, shall I say?
But I'm trying to go for a run every day just to um
Okay.
yeah keep myself up to the lockdown and
Hmm. That's fantastic.
what about you? Do you have any specific plans?
I'm planning to finish a book and then do home workouts.
Nice.
Then
You hit the gym a lot?
I tried it 5 days a week.
Hmm.
hmm But nowadays I'm becoming actually a bit lazy because both the gyms are closed and all I've got is my home, and I keep putting it on and on and on that yeah I'll do in half an hour, yeah I'll do in few minutes, and at the end I never do it. That's one part I need to work on.
Yeah. No, I get what you mean. Um, like I think consistency is probably the biggest keys
Yeah,
in anything you want
yeah,
to do. So,
exactly. Couldn't agree more. Okay, we have got our API endpoint.
nice.
That's our that one. Now let's get this board and then do that. Note, and then which note shall we do? Last one, and then we can update it in the body saying, what shall we say?
Coding is fun, or we are road coders. I thought you read rock
Raw
coders.
raw coders. Yeah, coders on the A game. There you go.
Nice.
All right, let's see if it's our A game happens.
Patch. You wanna patch it?
Yeah. All right, there we go. Attribute expression attribute must not be empty. What?
The thing which you commented.
Commented.
Wait. I know what you mean. Wait. Go back. Go back. It's text, not JSON.
Ah, God. Um,
Yep.
there
Yay.
you go. Not
Not
really.
really.
Row coders on the A game.
Is it the
Six
right
three.
board?
Actually,
Sorry, right
I'm
note.
just gonna
Right note.
do that again.
Is it the right note?
Gonna do the code again. Hang on.
You have a body and you're yeah, patching it.
Ah,
None.
okay. It was a wrong. So it did it, but it didn't show us in the response.
Who cares? I mean, we're not gonna use it,
It's
right? That
working,
way.
right? So that's
Yeah.
fine. Actually, I'm gonna do just one more.
Yeah. Go for it. I think I
And
know that's happening.
hmm?
I know why that's happening though. In the code, but it's fine. We don't need to worry about that. When
Yeah,
we make
yeah,
a front end and a back end, we won't need this.
yeah. True. Patch. So which one is it? Two
So
two
second,
eight. 228.
yeah,
And then get it.
body.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. So that's working. I will commit this in the dev branch.
We don't have a lot of time left, so let's just clean up the code today.
Yeah,
Um,
that's what I was planning to do. But shall we commit this first?
yeah, for sure, for sure. Go ahead. I'll go ahead and look what we can do and cannot do.
Yeah, yeah. Which one? Only one file changed, isn't it? But wanna see the changes as well, and have I got everything on point? Cool, that's fine. Data, that's fine. Uh-huh.
Have you got any warnings? We have one warning in our code. Um, can you go ahead and suppress the warning? Do you know how to do that? Oh wait, is it even
Where's
there?
the
In
warn? Where's the warning?
it's not a big one. It's at
This
line
one?
208, or just remove the spaces before committing. Oh, even trailing spaces is a warning, Lamar.
Hmm. Apparently.
Okay,
Wow.
now our code is error free and warning free.
But why are these coming here? Unexpected ES6 feature. No fixes available. I don't
But
want these
um,
squiggly lines to come up.
so I think that's because. That's a JavaScript um, constant.
ES6 feature.
No, const is a JavaScript keyword. So when you
Mm-hmm.
compile it, it won't be a problem. I mean, there's no other way. You have to
Okay,
do.
cool, cool. I see what you mean. Right,
Mm.
but the thing is, we're not really using this import either, so no point of it being there,
Mhm.
and everything else is good. All right, I'm gonna commit this. Git commit. Ah, git commit. Update a note in dynamodb.
Yep, that's done.
Okay, push. Optional origin dev.
So how are we at the front end right now then?
So in the front end, what's gonna happen
Yep,
is I'm I'm just gonna think now.
we can work it on the stream as well if you want. We can spend not more than 1 week if it's too much work left.
Oh, what do you mean? I don't get it.
So what's our next step? We're gonna
So our next step is to make the front end and the back end, which is the API that we've just done, talk to each other,
yeah
and that shouldn't be any more than a week's job at all.
yeah that's what I'm kind of asking as well.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Right. Yeah, so the front end code, I'll just bring that.
right.
Um I'm just thinking this is the API. Okay, cool. Um so okay. We
We need
actually dealing with microservices logic here.
mm,
So this is the backend. We're not gonna touch this one now,
mm,
and we'll go in the front end one,
yeah.
which um
Also,
I
we
th-
big time need Jira. We are forgetting stuff. So
yeah. Okay, hang on a minute.
yeah, I'm waiting.
Our next step
Yeah,
can be just setting up Jira because I don't want to rush
yeah.
into things and forget the little things.
That's probably the most logical thing. Which and we
Mm,
can write all this stuff and kind of I don't know
yeah.
use a Scrum or waterfall. I don't know.
hmm
Just use any method and then we can document that as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
True. So what I'm gonna do is go to Jira and do that now since we have 5 more minutes
okay,
and we
I'll go and work on the code a bit. I'll just delete the unnecessary comments and stuff. Or do
do
you
you
want to do
wanna
it?
do that by yourself?
I don't mind if you want to do it together. We can do Jira offline as well.
Okay, shall let's just focus on the
Yeah.
API then.
So let's
You
come
go
to
for
like
it.
yeah. Okay, I'll share my screen then.
Yeah, cool.
Right. Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Right. Okay.
I'm just gonna convert the screen to a bigger one so I can see it properly.
Yep. That's fine actually.
You can do the consport equals 3700 same as this one, as in uncommon for local testing on line 5.
Oh yeah, yeah, right. Actually, not trying to be picky, but it should be testing locally.
That's fine, go for it.
Right.
Actually, try to
Yeah.
comment above the lines, as in
Okay.
above the code itself. I don't really want it to take, as in
Yeah, no, makes
more
sense.
width.
Inconsistency as well. Okay. Leave.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Is there anything in particular where we just kind of um like not smooth code, if that makes sense? Is there
I
any?
can see I can see many places where we are doing we shouldn't be doing, but that won't be finished in 2 minutes. So if you
I can just do the
really
major.
want, okay, cool.
This isn't. Yeah, that's fine. Um,
You know where we are using, as in let board ID, and as in let board underscore ID, and no un, underscore ID,
yeah.
because we're using it in every single method. Why not make them the global variables,
Oh yeah. Where are
so
we?
we don't have to um declare them in every method again.
Right. Right. Now that makes sense. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, go for it. Do one thing. Do it as in replace,
Hmm.
and type let board ID, and then re- replace it with a space. Simple, and it will do everything by itself.
Yep. How many controllers do we have?
We should have 8,
We are
I
using
think.
we're using it in six though. Not using it, but yeah, it's fine. Yeah. All right. Um. Oh wait.
Ah,
It's with
no,
the.
with a colon. The semicolon.
Yeah. I just wanna
And
see
same
that.
for the note ID.
1 second. Yeah. Oh, really? Only three functions? Nice. We'll deal with you later.
And maybe do it in a single line. So board underscore ID comma
Yeah, I
no
can.
underscore ID. So it takes just one line itself.
We
There we
have
go. Cool.
warnings. That's fine. What I'll do is let's do one thing.
I guess our code is already beautiful enough that there is it's not wanting to make any changes.
Yeah, and also that thing is giving us trailing spaces, so I guess I'll have to do it manually. Sorry about that. I should close my Discord. Oh, still trailing spaces. That's just lagging.
It must be.
All right.
Cool. So that seems to be okay now.
Right here. Um, there's only one comment in the middle of the code. That's fine. Yeah. Cool. Do you wanna do another push? Or do you wanna do-
Cool. Maybe you can do it.
Okay. Actually, I'll join your repo as a contributor.
Hmm.
Um,
Do that. What did you come
I
here?
think
Update
you do
comment.
it. You'll have to do it
Registers.
because
Mm,
Git needs to be configured as well. So,
it needs to be config. Ah, because we're doing it remotely. Right.
so I don't
Right.
have
Right. Right.
remote access to GitHub.
Ah. Okay. I see.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll do it then. No changes added.
All right.
Mhm.
Uh,
Did you do add first?
sorry. Which
Did you
ad?
do add first? As in, you have
No,
to add first and then comic comes.
oh, wait, I didn't add.
No,
Oh, I probably.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you do it.
Let me go and I'll just copy and paste this in there. Update your comments. Push.
Cool. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for joining in. Really fun. That was a big relief. We got all our APIs working, and now we are have a on our way to one step closer to building our app. As we move forward on the weekend towards working towards making the front end work with the API and the back end. So thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.
Thank you guys and yeah, like Karthik
Yeah,
said, that will be our goal for the next few days. So yes, see you guys tomorrow for 2 hours and have a good night.
cool. See you tomorrow, Zen. Cheers.
Cheers, Karthik. Have a good night, mate. Bye.